everyone, welcome back to Crafts with Crashly. Today I have a special unboxing video. So you guys know I got my first Diamond Art Club. It was Galaxy by Erica the Goober. So I did just buy a second one already. I know, I get it. But this one is for a very special occasion. I am doing my first collaboration, and it will be a Christmas collaboration with a very special creator. I have grown very close to this creator. She's very, very humble, sweet, caring. She's just all around a good person. So I'm very excited to embark on this with her. Almost lost the box. So let's get it going here. I have had this for just a few days now. Get rid of that. And it's been very hard not to open it. And you guessed it. It's the Christmas tree! I am so excited and I can't wait to see what it looks like. Oh, I'm pumped. This one's quite a bit bigger than my other one that I am working on. This is 24 by 20 inches, 61 by 51 centimeters. Glowing Christmas. I am so excited. This one is a round drill. I don't do too many round drill diamond paintings, but this one was just so beautiful. I made an exception. I mean, I have done round drill diamond paintings before, but I typically don't choose them. But I had to see. I'm really excited about doing this Christmas one. Oh, I am so excited. Here it goes. Okay, just opening the box part here. Okay, that's the inside. Ooh, here's the canvas. Here's the drills. Ooh, look at those big ones. Oh, this one has special shaped ones, doesn't it? Okay, I'm going to set the box aside here. Okay, so here's my sticker. Looks like it got a little bit folded up here. Oh, it came detached. That's alright, that's alright. Weird. So it has 29 colors, and it says special 30, code 4, DMC Y104. Interesting. Let's open the toolkit, see if there's anything out of the ordinary in here. Got some more baggies. Add those to the billions. Another super cute. Ooh, I got a bigger multi-placer with this one. Sweet. Another blue grippy. Oh, I think that these are so cute. Little heart. They're just so cute. It's one of the little things that I think sets Diamond Art Club apart for me. Okay, and again I have the sticker here. Let's see, set that aside for now. I'm going to open up the canvas. What is this? Here it goes. This is like a little pamphlet version. Ooh, fancy. You made our day. We hope we made yours. You definitely did. Use this checkerboard technique to apply the diamonds. Aww. Ooh, a 10% off your next purchase. Heck yeah! Set that aside. Okay, here it goes. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. I have to make sure I open this right. Is it landscape? Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'll never get tired of the super soft canvas. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I'm going to have to lay it this way because it's a bit larger. There we go. Oh my gosh, that is just, this is beautiful. Oh, I love it. Has some really, really pretty colors. I'm going to see if I can get it to lay down flat. I put a black cover on my desk thinking it would make the colors pop out a little bit more, but it's turning out to be more of a pain in the butt. Wow. This is just beautiful. Try to tear this side or peel this back. And for those of you who don't know, I'm sure most of you know because you've diamond painted before, if you peel up each corner just a little bit and place it back down, it should help your canvas lay down flatter. And I know Diamond Art Club has the canvases that do the self-flattening, but I just wanted to be able to show you guys what it looks like first. Gosh, that is gorgeous. I am loving the sky here. It's just so beautiful. I love this. This is where the special drills are going to go. See if I can get you guys any kind of close up here. I am just digging it. I cannot wait to start on this. Open up the drills. And I'm going to be posting a separate video of pitting these up. Oh, here's the special drills. Kind of look like eyeballs. Let's see if the camera picks those up. It's the light. Let's shadow it a little bit. There we go. See that? Pretty, pretty. Let's see what else we got. Round drills. Trying to see. I know there was ABs in here. Those are so pretty. Yep, the white ABs. Super pretty bright colors. Oh, there's lots of this color. Is this the same color? Yep. Well, 823, and that's 939. Yep, 823s and 2 939s. Super sparkly. Oh, 3 big bags of 310s. Got that. Well, sweet. I am so excited. I'm going to start kitting this up, and I'm going to post that in a separate video, but I am super pumped to start working on this. I love the Galaxy one I've been working on, and I can't wait to embark on this with Melissa or Nana with 7 Crafts. Nana of 7 Crafts, yeah. But she is awesome, and so we're going to be posting some videos together, and I know we are going to have a few giveaways, but the details are yet to come. I know some of the prizes will include a few pens that I'm going to have the winner select the colors, and I'm going to make it during a live. And I think we're going to put up some diamond paintings and some pin stands, so definitely stay tuned. And I go live on Sundays for Sunday Social, so come on out to the lives to get some more details, and head on over to Nana of 7 Crafts, her YouTube channel. I'll put the link in the description down below, and go ahead, subscribe to her, and don't miss what's coming next. I'm really excited to start working on this, and I'll post some more videos of the kit up. Thank you guys so much for watching.